And welcome to the channel. I want to make you a quick deal going on. There were some other ones, but I guess there was a glitch in the system, and this one's legit. 12 volt. This is brushless, right? I was in the chats in the stream last night with Tools with Souls and Tools and Tactics. This is the brushless version. Comes with one 2.0 battery. You can see the model number. It's a flexi click system. CSR12V300F CB22. Alright. This is add to cart. You gotta pick up in store, so the rest were not feasible deals, I guess. So let's go see. Subtotal $79. Total $86.69. Tax $6. Just gotta pick this up at the store. $79 for that. Now that is a phenomenal deal. There was a 3-tool combo 12 volt. I think it was 69, something like that. Yeah, that must have been a glitch, and there was another one that was, I guess, a hammer drill. That was a glitch too. I pulled from the system. Anyway, I will catch you on the next one. This is the only legit one. Link will be in the description. Okay? You can get yourself, I might get this myself. This is a good deal.